हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं निखिल, मेरे साथ है सौरभ। यूनाइटेड have won the game against West Ham 3-1 and we are here to talk about the post-match reaction. So Saurabh, uh, given this win, United move into the fourth place from the ninth position at 19 points, 2 points off the league leaders. Uh, सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि अभी हम 9 अवे लीग गेम जीते हैं और उसमें भी हम 5 अवे गेम्स इस साल खेले हैं, इस सीजन खेले हैं। एंड in all those 5 games, we have come from behind. We conceded first, and then we really fought back to win these games. And आज भी वही हुआ. First half, I would say this game was like a story of two halves. But yeah, what are your thoughts about the first half?
First half, I think we had 70+% possession in the first 30-35 minutes, but हम लोग chances नहीं create कर रहे थे. ऐसा लग रहा था we were controlling the game without doing much.
Right.
जब भी उन्होंने first goal score किया, even in our game match preview हम लोग ने predict किया था कि set pieces उनका biggest threat है. They are a team of big, solid, physical players. They have Cresswell's delivery in the box. So everything, and we also know that we are susceptible of set pieces. So everything was known. इसमें कुछ भी नया नहीं था. We did not learn anything new, and it's sad to see that our defense did not prepare well for that. Far post पे सूचक को free छोड़ दिया second ball के लिए. No one went for it. And this has been a consistent trend कि अपने near post and far post दोनों पे there should be protection. Enough protection रहता नहीं है set pieces पे, and we concede another goal of a set piece. उसके बाद I think West Ham really got into the game after they scored the goal. I think they had some belief. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो लोग they might go on to score 1 or 2 more goals. उनको chances थे. Bowen, I felt, had a very good first half. Declan Rice had a very good first half. Souček obviously was the goal scorer and was one of the key men to watch for, and he had a good first half. अगर वो Sebastian Haller वाला वो slip up नहीं होता था उसका, और मतलब they had chances to be 2-3-0 at half time.
But in the first half, then Saurabh, if you have to pinpoint क्या गलत हुआ, मतलब I don't think lineup में ज्यादा कुछ lineup बहुत ही exciting था. Firstly, at least मुझे ऐसे लगा. I hope you feel the same. But what do you think really didn't work for us?
I felt there were a couple of tactical things. I think Anthony Martial. So difference between Rashford and Anthony Martial was Rashford जब भी game में आया तभी he was trying to go behind the defense. उसके सब runs forward runs थे from that seam left hand side attacking position. Anthony Martial on the other hand almost every single time was coming back to work. मतलब पीछे आ रहा था to receive the ball, and he was getting dispossessed because he had his defender stuck to his back. I think that was one area of build up जो हम लोग first half में कर ही नहीं पा रहे थे. When the midfield was trying to connect to the attack, even Cavani was not able to hold the ball and bring others into play. वो one touch इधर उधर try कर रहा था, but he was losing possession. Same Martial के साथ भी वही हो रहा था. Almost first instinct था to come towards the midfield to collect the ball. I think that changed in the second half. I think Bruno instead of the strikers or the front three coming into the midfield to collect the ball, I think Bruno was playing that role. And as soon as he got the ball, he was looking for those forward passes through their defense, and that's where he found Greenwood, Rashford, and at times Martial in forward positions running towards the defense. I think that was the key difference between the first and the second half.
Wouldn't one can also say कि a coordinated effort रहना चाहिए. It wouldn't be just one player, right? Bruno currently exceptional form में है. And we'll come to more how Bruno impacted in the second half. But Van der Beek, obviously, we know is not exactly a replica of Bruno, but he was taking up that number 10 position. But to what you were mentioning, कि जो Martial deep आ रहा था to take the ball with his back against the defender, and then he was getting like fouled or like pushed away. It should be done by any striker or even winger along with the number 10, shouldn't it?
It should, but it probably was not the right strategy against this West Ham team, because then you are inviting the defense to come and tackle you instead of using your strengths, जो pace and directness and dribbling है, which is
Right.
your strength rather than your hold-up play.
Mhm.
We should play to the strength. There will be games where Martial will come and collect the ball from the midfield, and he will that will suit a particular game.
Mhm.
ये game में it was not suiting him because the right back or center back, दोनों there were two people who were hounding him and he was getting dispossessed. Same with Cavani. Cavani भी जब भी midfield में आ रहा था, there were two center Declan Rice and center back, they were crowding him out, जिसकी वजह से उसको first touch में ही pass करना पड़ रहा था. उसको ऐसा नहीं था कि he could take a touch, control the ball and then bring someone else in play. They both our strikers had two players on them all the time.
So the strategy should have been to find those channels for the midfielders to find, right? So
Correct.
that Martial, Cavani can make those runs and
Correct.
reach those through balls and try to score the goals.
Correct.
Okay.
So ऐसा strategy रहना चाहिए था कि use our front three to make forward runs and midfield to collect the ball and try to play it through. I think first half में our strikers were, at least out of the three, one striker at all times was coming back to pick the ball up in the midfield, और तभी थोड़ा disconnect हो रहा था, connecting from midfield to attack.
Yeah. I agree with you, but I feel sometimes that would also happen because the midfielders are not really trying those balls, or they are getting crowded away and they need some support. But again, let's move on to the second half. Talking about the second half substitutions, क्या लगता है? What are your thoughts? Do you agree with those the changes that were made?
Not really. मतलब, I did not think that Martial should have stayed on the pitch. He was getting marked out of the game. I think Cavani there was no doubt that Bruno and Rashford both had to come on as a second half substitute. And well done, Ole, for making that change at halftime and not waiting for 60-70 minutes. So ये दो players लाने थे, but who he took off would not have been my first choice. I would have probably taken Martial and Pogba, one of Pogba or McTominay out, and left Van de Beek on. But Pogba scored a goal, so we shouldn't complain there. And he not just scored a goal, he had a very good second half as a whole, so we shouldn't be complaining there. But I think Martial pulled up with an injury and he had to be substituted anyway. It would have been good if Rashford, Cavani and Greenwood would have stayed on as the front three.
It seems like Bruno जब pitch पे होता है तो Pogba पे थोड़ा pressure कम रहता है and he starts doing better. The whole, maybe we can make an entire video on this, but Pogba पे वो expectations गए 4-5 साल से रहे हैं that you are going to be our sole creator. Now there are, in a way, to say, if I consider Van de Beek, there are 3 different creators in the team. We have those options now. And as soon as Bruno जैसे आया, Pogba का attitude ही change हो गया. मतलब you could see that he was running a bit more, jog नहीं कर रहा था. He was looking for those forward passes. Maybe the wingers and the center forwards were making those runs.
Yeah.
But yeah, things changed suddenly. What really worked for us?
I think directness, intent, attacking intent. I think the message from Solskjaer would have been kept. Possession without attacking intent is useless. Try and experiment, try new things, go for those forward passes, go for those forward-looking runs. I think ये एक sort of mission statement अगर हम लोग ने change देखा from first half to the second half, I think that was night and day, and we had the right players to do that. I think Rashford, I think he did not have one backward pass or one backward run. सब कुछ forward था, सब कुछ, he was stretching them wide. The other difference also was Martial was never close to the touchline. He was mostly in that left-sided attacking midfield type जगह पे वो ball collect कर रहा था, whereas Rashford was more closer to a winger role. So they were stretched. Their full back and centre backs were stretched. There were gaps between those centre backs that then the other players could run into and take advantage of.
Right. So let's talk about the goals in that second half, right? We scored the equalizer, VAR पे बहुत डिस्कशन होने वाला है. Obviously, there's no goal, there's no technology to really determine if the ball really went out. Henderson ने long ball दिया. He quickly,
Yeah.
firstly saw that run, and he lobbed that ball ahead.
Yeah.
And probably the ball went outside. United probably got lucky. But again, uh, Bruno made a pretty simple like pass to provided a pretty simple pass to to Pogba, and Pogba scored a scintillating goal.
Yeah.
Brilliant strike, right?
Brilliant strike. Yeah. वर्ल्ड क्लास गोल. मतलब डिबेटेबल है. मुझे पहले टू बी ऑनेस्ट लगा था कि द बॉल वेंट आउट ऑफ प्ले. वेस्ट हैम को लगा था कि द बॉल वेंट आउट ऑफ प्ले, बट यू प्ले टू द whistle, so they should have still kept their guards up. They should have still defended the ball. And अगर there is no conclusive way or technology अभी है नहीं in place to make that decision, so then play to the whistle. So
Right.
I understand the frustration, but I mean they shouldn't be complaining about it. It's अगर यही same goal West Ham मारता था तो भी it would have been a legal fair goal.
Right. Yeah. What are your thoughts about the second goal? We went into the lead, taking the confidence from the equalizer. उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
Greenwood is a sharpshooter. मतलब जो I think very few occasions in the entire game अपना striker received the ball with his feet in their box, turned and tried to take a shot. I think that was probably the only one or two times ऐसे हुआ रहेगा in the entire 95 minutes. And Greenwood did really well to control the ball. पता नहीं intentional था या नहीं उसका touch, but it came off really well. And uska sharp shooting, uska finish was tremendous. In fact, he had a chance to make it 4-1 as well. I think he should have scored. Now you expect Greenwood to score. वो जो low percentage shots रहते हैं, low percentage chances रहते हैं, you expect him to score. But yeah, the goal that he scored was terrific.
Right. Yeah. Brilliant finish. Yeah. What about the third goal?
Third goal of all three was my favorite. मतलब to go from back to front in say 8-10 सेकंड में, you get a ball headed out. मतलब the ball bounces to Bruno first touch Mata को देता है, Mata first touch releases Rashford, 3 pinpoint passes, and Rashford coolly one-on-one goes with the keeper, chips him. Yeah, मतलब puts the ball very coolly in the back of the net. In a space of 5 seconds, we went from back to front, and that was a tremendous goal.
Yeah, Mata showing his class, like the limited game that he plays, and I think West Ham game was suited for him, even if he came for like the last 20 or 30 minutes. वो ये game kind of ये pace उसके लिए suit करता है, and he found that brilliant ball, sort of right-sided channel से between the defenders, that looping ball, and brilliant run and finish by Rashford.
And this reminded me of the goal that Bruno scored, जो Matic ने first touch में left side पे Greenwood को दिया था. Greenwood ने first इसमें एक दो touch के बाद cross दिया था, and Bruno far post पे एक must volley मारा था. I think this was a similar goal, back to front in almost no time, and hit them. मतलब that was a killer blow for them. उसके बाद they were deflated. मतलब we managed the game really well. I think one learning we can take from this game is this team has put in their best performances when we had both Bruno and Rashford on the pitch.
Right.
I think we have a good spine abhi team ka starting lineup ka. I think we had good goalkeeping options. We have kitna bhi tum Maguire ko gali dalo, he is one of the first names on the team sheet. Aaron Wan-Bissaka is one of the first names on the team sheet. We have Bruno in that spine. We have Rashford in that spine. So ये जो 4-5 players है, when fit and when available, should start every single game. And then the others, जो धीरे-धीरे quality हम लोग build कर रहे हैं, that is showing from the first half of last season, जहाँ पे अपने पास कोई quality नहीं था. We had Pereira, Lingard, ऐसे options पे हम लोग rely कर रहे थे. We did not have Bruno. We did not have Van de Beek. The difference from first half of last season to the last 6 or 8 games now, जब भी थोड़ा fitness आया है, it's positive. I think we are onto something positive here.
So Saurabh, if you have to call out the man of the match, who would that be?
A tough pick here because two man of the match contenders only played 45 minutes. So Rashford, Bruno, and I would say Pogba bhi contention mein rehna chahiye for the man of the match. But just for the finishes and the way he changed the game, I would give it to Rashford. I was going to say Bruno, but I think Rashford finished the goal. Bruno का जो assist था वो भी ऐसे कुछ बहुत मतलब inventive pass नहीं था. It was a straightforward side foot pass to Pogba. It was a good finish. No doubt that Bruno made a difference, but I think Rashford deserves the man of the match.
I would personally give it to Bruno. He exactly did what we spoke in our pre-match review, where he was the menace, right? जो सूचक और डेक्लन राइस का पार्टनरशिप था एंड उनके सेंटर बैक्स थे, he literally like confused the hell out of them with his movements and with his twists and turns, and always that like keeping that idea of playing those forward balls. वेरी क्लोज. अगर मतलब जॉइंट देना है तो एक्चुअली जॉइंट अवार्ड मैं दोनों को दूंगा, रैशफोर्ड ब्रूनो को. बट या आई थिंक had there not been Bruno, I don't think Rashford would have had those chances. Bruno कुछ अलग ही एनर्जी लेके आता है पिच पे. The whole team gets galvanized. So yeah. So to conclude, Saurabh, again, brilliant 3 points. We are in 4th place, 19 points पे है. टफ रन प्रीमियर लीग में आने वाला है आगे, बट लेट्स नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. इज व्हाट यू वुड आल्सो से. अगला गेम लाइप्जिग, एटलीस्ट अ ड्रॉ, जीते तो बेस्ट है. गिवन वेयर वी वर, 3 पॉइंट लाना वुड बी ग्रेट. बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक इन जनरल अबाउट दिस लाइप्जिग गेम?
Leipzig के against, we know that they're going to play a very high line. Last time भी अपने a large chunk of the games, a large chunk of the goals were because we caught their defense out very high up the pitch. So उसके लिए I think Rashford and Bruno were rested for this game. So Rashford and Bruno start, no brainer है वो. But yeah, I think fast forward play is going to be the key to taking at least a point, if not 3, against Leipzig.
Yeah, we'll drop a video for the pre-match review for the game against Leipzig. So do check that out. And that's it from us, guys. Do let us know if you like the content, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.